Good morning students. Welcome you all to the science class. This is your grade 3 textbook, science textbook. You can maintain your science notebook for your classwork activity and your home activity. Let's see the first lesson, that is all about living and non-living. What is meant by living thing? Here in this picture you can see the tree, right? And in the other picture you can see the cow and the calf. So here the living thing means that refers to a life. Here the tree, it was a small plant and it grows into a tree. So the growth is there here. So you can clearly understand that it has a life. And in the other picture you can see the cow and the calf. They are eating their food. So they are doing some action. So they have life. So you can understand from this picture, the living thing that refers to a life is called living thing. What is a non-living thing? You can see in this picture the robot. Does it a living thing? No, it cannot move by its own, right? We have to give access to the robot to move. So only the person give access, then only the robot can move from one place to another. And can you see the table and the chair here? Does it require any food or water to live? No, there is no life here. So that's why they do not require any food to live. And next one is ball. So we need to kick the ball to move from one place to another. It cannot move by its own. So that's why it do not have any life, and so this is called non-living thing. Let's see the features of the living thing. The first one is living thing need food and water to live. From this picture you can understand the horse is going by itself and it is searching of food and water. You can see the sparrows, they are eating and drinking by their own. So living things, they need food. For example, we can see some animals here. They eat only plants. Some animals like deer, parrot, cow, they all eat only the plants. But if you are taking the lion, tiger, owl, even the spider, they eat the other animals. They do not eat the plants, but they eat the other animals. Their food eating pattern is different. If you take the bear, even the sparrow and the fox, they eat plants as well as the animals, and their food eating pattern is totally different from the others. Let's see how the plant is having the food. Here, with the help of the root, the plant is getting the water and it is taking the carbon dioxide and giving out the oxygen. Here, the leaf is preparing the food for the plants. Living thing like pencil, it do not need any food or water to live, right? Let's move on to the second characteristic, that is the living thing need air, sunlight and warmth to live in this world. For example, you can see these animals, the monkey and the horse, you can see the nostrils. With the help of the nostril, that is the opening here, you can see the opening here. With the help of this opening, they are breathing in the oxygen. And with what part of the body they are taking the oxygen? With the help of the lungs, they are taking the oxygen. So all these animals need oxygen, and that is air to live in this world. Some animals like frog and the crocodile, how do they live in the water? If they are in the land, they are breathing in with the help of the lungs. But when they are in the water, if you are taking the crocodile, it is same like a human, it is holding their breath. It is holding its breath when it goes down to the water for 2 hours. If you are taking the frog have a special property for its skin. Through the skin, it is breathing. Let's see about the fish. If the other animals like elephant, lion, all these have lungs. But if you are taking the fish, it have a special organ called gills. You can see here, it is present in the head of the fish, and with the help of this gills, they are breathing. Let's move on to the insects. Here in the insect like housefly, dragonfly, all these insects have small opening, small hole in their body. So, with the help of the hole, they are breathing. Let's see about the plants. Here in these plants, you can see in their leaves there is a small opening, and the small opening is called stomata. So, through the opening, the plants are breathing. Does the non-living things require any of this? You can see the laptop and the window. Do they need air to live? No. Do they need warmth or sunlight to grow? No. So, the non-living things, they do not need any air, sunlight or warmth to live in this world. Now, let us see the activity. List out any 20 living and non-living things and its features in your science notebook, and write today's date and mention it clearly in your science notebook. See you all in the next class. Hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Bye.